Welcome to this tutorial. How to display my computer in Windows 10. Are you struggling to find the familiar My Computer icon on your Windows 10 desktop? You're not alone. Many users have faced this dilemma since the introduction of Windows 10. In Windows 10, My Computer is also known as this PC. In our video, How to Display My Computer in Windows 10, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of bringing back this essential desktop icon. With the My Computer or this PC icon readily accessible, you can navigate your files and folders with ease, saving you time and frustration. Get ready to display My Computer or this PC on your Windows 10 desktop like a pro. Go to your desktop and right-click on an empty space to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Personalize to access your desktop settings. Inside the Personalization menu, look for Themes on the left-hand side and click on it. Once you're in the Themes section, scroll down and find Desktop Icon Settings under the Related Settings section and click on it. A new window will pop up. In this window, you'll see a list of desktop icons. In the Desktop Icon section, select the checkbox of Computer. After ticking the box, hit the Apply button to apply the changes. Now close the window and you should see the This PC or My Computer icon displayed on your desktop. There you have it. You've successfully added the This PC or My Computer icon to your Windows 10 desktop. Happy computing! Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.